Hello and welcome. Today, we're taking a close look at Arunai Engineering College in Tiruvannamalai. Its TNEA Code is 1504. If you're planning for the 2026 engineering intake, this explainer will give you the essential facts about the institution, starting with its most important credentials. All right, the first thing that really stands out is the college's NAAC grade. This is a very strong signal of academic quality. And importantly, its validity runs until 2029, which means this standard is assured for your entire four-year journey at the college. And there's more. The college has also recently been granted autonomous status. So what does this mean for you as a student? Well, it gives the college the freedom to design its own curriculum and exams. This means they can update their courses much faster to keep up with what the industry is actually looking for. Okay, now let's dive into the college's background, where it comes from, how it's structured, and of course, how you can get in. So Arunai Engineering College was established way back in 1993. It's a self-financing institution, and it's affiliated with Anna University in Chennai. When it comes to admissions, it's all through TNEA counseling. 65% of the seats are filled through the government quota, while the other 35% are for the management quota. The college was founded by Thiru E.V. Velu under the Saraswati Ammal Educational Trust. From the very beginning, the mission was clear: to bring quality engineering education to students right there in the Tiruvannamalai region. And they've been doing just that for more than 3 decades now. For any family making this big decision, official approvals are absolutely critical. So let's look at the specific accreditations that really back up the college's academic quality. We mentioned that NAAC A grade before, right? Well, let's look a bit closer. The college secured this with a solid CGPA of 3.12. And here's the key part: this was during its 3rd assessment cycle. This shows a long-term, consistent dedication to maintaining high standards, not just a one-off success. Now, on top of the overall college grade, 5 of its core engineering programs have their own individual NBA accreditation. This is a big deal because it validates the quality of specific departments. And if you look at the validity dates, they stretch well into the upcoming admission years, which is exactly what you want to see when you're choosing your branch. All right, so what are your actual options if you decide to study here? Let's break down the different engineering programs and the number of seats available. For the upcoming academic year, the college has a total of 870 undergraduate engineering seats, all approved by AICTE. This gives you a really clear picture of the size of the institution and the student community you'd be joining. The college offers a pretty impressive range of branches. You have the traditional core engineering fields like mechanical and civil, but there's also a very strong focus on tech. I mean, look at this. You have AI and data science, a dedicated CSE branch for AI and machine learning, and even cybersecurity. This shows the college is really tuned into what the job market is demanding right now. You know, a good engineering degree is so much more than just classes and exams. It's about what happens beyond the classroom. So let's explore the college's focus on research, its connections to the industry, and most importantly, placement outcomes. Now, this right here is a major highlight. The college hosts a TIFAC Core, which stands for Center of Relevance and Excellence. It's a nationally important research center focused on electric transportation systems, a field that's absolutely booming. Being funded directly by the government of India, it offers students a unique chance to get involved in some serious, cutting-edge research. And the focus on research doesn't stop there. The college is also involved in projects funded by the Ministry of Power and even international research programs. Plus, it has Anna University-approved research centers for PhD students in mechanical and EEE. All this creates a really strong academic environment on campus. The college's research work is backed by some serious collaborations with industry giants. We're talking about companies like IBM, Tata Power, and Crompton Greaves. These partnerships are crucial because they open doors for students to get internships, work on real-world projects, and learn a curriculum that's truly relevant. So what does all this lead to? Careers. The college has self-reported a 90% placement rate in its data submission to the TNEA authorities for the 2025 admission cycle. For many families, this number is the bottom line, and it's a strong one. Finally, let's talk about the practical side of student life. We'll quickly cover the essential facilities for living on campus and getting around. Yes, the college provides all the key essentials. There are separate hostels available for both boys and girls, and the mess serves both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food. A college transport facility is also in place. Plus, the campus is quite conveniently located, only about 4 kilometers from the Tiruvannamalai railway station. Just so you know, all the information we've presented here has been carefully compiled from the college's own official website and trusted government portals, and it's accurate as of the time we prepared this explainer. Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.